So today I'm filming from a different location. I am filming from my brand new, reorganized or redecorated this blue, beautiful living room. I'm gonna show you how I transformed this ugly living room into this beautiful blue room. So stay tuned. Let's start off with this sofa. You notice that in the video, I was not impressed with this sofa. The one that I ordered, they didn't have in stock, so they sent this one instead. I got it from WAYFAIR, and there were so many pieces to put together that it wasn't worth taking it all apart and sending it back. So I kept it, and actually it's not really that bad. It's actually nice. When I ordered these pillows, I thought they were actually the entire pillow, but it's actually just the cover. So all the pillows in the video are just the cover. So this one came from Amazon, and I think there were 2 in a pack, and it was $11.99. And then this one also came from Amazon. These were either $11.99 or $13. The pillows, the stuffings, I got those from Joann's. They were 2 in a pack for $22. They were on sale for $22, and I also used a coupon. The lamp, I got this from Ross at about 2 weeks ago, and this was on clearance for $21. The tables I ordered from Amazon. They came 2 in a pack, and they were on sale, or the price was $88. Alright, so the next thing is this rug. This rug was also from WAYFAIR, and this was $30. And this cute little white stool was on clearance at Ross, and this was $14.99. The chair I already had. I decided to keep the chair and just get like some pillows. So the pillows I also got from Amazon. Well, the covers I got from Amazon, and then the pillows I got from Joann's. And then the little throw I got from Tuesday Morning, and it was on clearance for $9. Also from Ross, I guess Ross seems to be one of my favorite stores. I got this ottoman, and this was regular price. It was $19.99. And then the mirror I've always had. This mirror has traveled with me from so many different places. We've had this for at least 10 years. So I already had this mirror. And then the picture I got from a store called Didi's Discount. This was, I believe it was $12.99. And the shelf I already had. I had this in my previous house. I decided to keep it. And then the clock I also got from Didi's Discount, and it was $6.99. And it's stuck on 10 o'clock because I haven't put a battery in it. All right, so so the little gold vases at the top I also got from Ross. The smaller one was $3.99 and the bigger one was $6.99. So I had this inside of the ottoman. My daughter got a hold of it and look, like she dropped it, it shattered into pieces, but I used Gorilla Glue to put it back together. So, and the blue lanterns, I believe these are, I got these from Joann's Fabric. They were 70% off, so I got those for $8 each. And then this frame here I got from Didi's Discount. It was $3.99.
Thank you for tuning in to my video. I really love the way my living room turned out. If you loved it too, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for tuning in.